Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can make money online through WordPress in 2024 based on current trends and best practices. 1. Choose a profitable niche. The first step to making money online through WordPress is to choose a profitable niche. This could be anything from health and wellness to finance, lifestyle, or technology. The key is to select a niche that you're passionate about and has a high demand for products and services. 2. Build a professional-looking website. Once you've selected your niche, the next step is to build a professional-looking website. This involves choosing a WordPress theme that's visually appealing, easy to navigate, and optimized for search engines. You can also hire a professional web designer to help you create a custom website that's tailored to your needs. 3. Create valuable content. Content is king when it comes to making money online through WordPress. The more valuable and informative your content is, the more likely people are to engage with your website and share it with others. Make sure to create high-quality content that's relevant to your niche and provides real value to your readers. 4. Monetize your website. There are several ways to monetize your WordPress website, including A. Display advertising. This involves placing ads on your website using ad networks like Google AdSense, Mediavine, or AdThrive. The ads are displayed based on the user's browsing history, and you earn money every time a user clicks on an ad. B. Affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products or services on your website and earning a commission for each sale. You can join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale to find products to promote. C. Sell digital products. This involves creating and selling digital products like ebooks, courses, or webinars on your website. You can use WordPress plugins like WooCommerce or Easy Digital Downloads to set up your online store. D. Offer services. This involves offering services like coaching, consulting, or freelance work on your website. You can use WordPress plugins like Bookly or Acuity Scheduling to manage your appointments and bookings. 5. Optimize your website for SEO. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs. This involves using keywords, meta descriptions, and alt tags to make your content more search engine friendly. By optimizing your website for SEO, you'll attract more organic traffic, which will increase your chances of making money online through WordPress. 6. Build an email list. An email list is a group of people who have opted in to receive emails from you. By building an email list, you can promote your products, services, and content directly to your subscribers, which will increase your chances of making sales. You can use WordPress plugins like Opt-in Monster or Thrive Leads to build your email list. 7. Leverage social media. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting your WordPress website and making money online. By leveraging social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, you can reach a larger audience, drive more traffic to your website, and increase your chances of making sales. Make sure to create social media profiles for your website and post regularly to engage your followers. 8. Network with other bloggers. Networking with other bloggers in your niche is a great way to build relationships, learn new skills, and promote your website. By joining blogger communities, attending blogger events, and collaborating with other bloggers, you'll increase your chances of making money online through WordPress. In conclusion, making money online through WordPress in 2024 will require a combination of these steps. By choosing a profitable niche, building a professional-looking website, creating valuable content, monetizing your website, optimizing your website for SEO, building an email list, leveraging social media, and networking with other bloggers, you'll increase your chances of making money online through WordPress. Remember to stay up to date with the latest and best practices in the industry to stay ahead of the competition.